Hello and welcome to the tutorial for the iPhone 6 Plus screen replacement. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's 5 easy steps. Open the phone, get the display out, transfer the home button, put the display back in, close the phone. That's all we're going to do. I'm going to show you how right now. Here you can see everything you need for replacing the screen of your iPhone 6 Plus. A pentalobe screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a suction cup, and of course a banana for scale. Before we start, don't forget to turn off your phone. Press and hold the standby button here, then swipe to the side. Next, we're going to remove 2 screws on the bottom of the device using the pentalobe screwdriver. You'll notice the screws aren't strongly tightened. You should put them back in the same way later. Don't screw them in until your hands fall off. Next, we lift the display out of the frame using the suction cup. If your screen is too damaged to do that, just use a few strips of tape to create a flat surface for the suction cup to hold on to. Place the suction cup here next to the home button. Pull gently in order to lift the screen. The same again on this side. Once you've opened the device, you'll see this metal cover with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. Remove all of them. It's important that you note exactly where each screw belongs, as they are all slightly different and only fit in their original location. You either write down exactly where they belong, or you just use our magnetic project map, so you'll always know where to put them. Underneath the metal cover, there are several connectors which connect the display to the logic board. Remove them with a plastic spatula. Next, we're going to transfer the home button down here from the old display to the new one. To do that, remove 2 screws, this one and this one. Carefully remove the small metal cover. Underneath it, you will find this little connector. It links the home button to the logic board. Once you've disconnected it, you need to separate this whole unit from the back of the screen. Be careful not to break it. Gently pry it off with a plastic spatula. If you do damage it, your Touch ID sensor might cease to function. For security reasons, Touch ID only ever works with the original home button with which your iPhone 6 was shipped. Once it's come off, press the home button from the front through to the back of the screen. Press down on it as if you were unlocking your phone, and slowly push the button through to the other side so as not to break the rubber gasket. You can now remove it from your old screen. Grab your new display and put the home button back just like you removed it before, with the cable to the left. Press it down a little with a plastic spatula, put the cable back in place, and reconnect it to the screen. Place the metal cover back on top of the button and secure it with 2 screws. Almost done. Your new display is now ready to be installed. First, reconnect the 4 cables to their respective sockets up here on the logic board. From now on, make sure not to bend the screen back further than this, so as not to risk disconnecting the cables you just pressed into their sockets. Put the metal cover back in its place and secure it with 5 screws. Now, fold the screen down and press it into the frame. Start up here by the speaker and work your way down towards the home button. Make sure the display is flush on all sides and that there are no gaps. Finally, secure the new display with the 2 pentaloop screws on the bottom. That's it. You now have a brand new display on your iPhone 6 Plus.